Hello and welcome to the third devlog about our new game. In this video, I will be talking about how I added power-ups to the game. The first thing I did was modify the collectible script so it could be inherited by other scripts. This allows me to easily add new types of collectibles. After that, I created a new script for the main.collectible. By inheriting from the base collectible class, I can easily implement the collection functions. The base class handles detecting when an object is collected and runs a function when that happens. The script that inherits from it can override the onCollect function to make it do what I need, like adding or removing time. Now that everything is working as it was before, I can start adding new types of collectibles. The first new collectible I added is a freeze time power-up. The way this works is simple. The script inherits from the collectible class and overrides the onCollect function. To stop time, I added a float variable to the game controller. In the game controller, I make it check if the variable is less than 0 before lowering the time. Then, in the collectible script, I override the onCollect function to add time to the float in the game controller. Now that I have two types of collectibles, I need a better way to spawn them. I opened the spawner script and created a new class called Spawnable Object. This class has an int variable for the chance of spawning out of 100 and a GameObject variable to reference the prefab. Then I create a list of spawnable objects so I can modify what spawns directly in the inspector. When an object is spawned, the script picks a random one from the list influenced by its spawn chance variable. Here's the new system in action. I increased the spawn rate for the time freeze power-up so you can see how it works. Now that the system is working, I can add the next power-up I had planned. This power-up is called the Rainbow power-up. When collected, it gives the player a short period of time where they can collect any color. To implement this, I added a float variable to the game controller called Rainbow Time. When a normal dot is collected, it checks if its variable is above 0. If it is, the dot always registers as a correct collection. I also added a script to the player controller to change the player's sprite, giving it a rainbow effect when the power-up is active. Then I created another script that inherits from the collectible script. Like the time freeze script, when collected, it adds time to the rainbow time variable in the game controller. I added this power-up to the spawner system, and here it is in action with increased spawn chances for demonstration. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.